Hello friends, welcome to the Take Virus. I am Subham Kesri. In this session, we will see the practical for mathematical function. First, open your Microsoft Visual Studio and write here, write double m equals to, write math dot sqrt and write here 4. Sorry, write here math.sqrt. Now write here console dot write line m. Again write console dot read line. Now save it and run it. See, the output is 2 because 2 is the square root of 4. Pass here 100. See, output is 10. Okay. Now see another method, math.pop. Pass here 8 and 2. Save it, run it. See, output is 64 because the square of 8 is 64. 8 to the power 2 is 64. Write here 5 and here 3. Save it, run it. See, the output is 1 to 5 because the value of 5 to the power 3, that is 5 cube, is 125. Now see math.max function. Okay, save it, run it. See, the output is 5 because 5 is maximum here. Write here 50 and here 90. Save it, run it. See, the output is 90 now because 90 is larger. Now see math.mean function. Save it, run it. See, the output is 50 because 50 is smaller here. Okay. Now see math.abs function. Math.abs. Write here minus 40. This function returns the positive value always. See, the output is 40 because this function returns positive value always. Write here 40 only. Save it and run it. See, output is 40, which is absolute value. Now see the example for math.round function. Save it and write here 40.70. Save it and run it. See, the value is 41, which is round off of this number. Okay. Now write here 40 or 20. Save it. See, the output is 40 now. Okay. Now math.floor function. save it and run it. See, the output is 40. Right here 70. Save it, again run it. See, the output is 40 now. Now right here ceiling, save it and run it. Output will be 41. See, the output is 41 here. Okay friends, in this session we saw about the mathematical function in C#. If you have any doubt related to this mathematical function, then please knock me on comment section. Thank you.